Maybe I needed space to reconnect with my brain. No one understands it, no one understands it. Maybe I was wrong, but what you did wasn't right. You don't understand it, you don't understand it. Pulling me back under like a force of nature. I'm trying to swim, but you're sinking me deep. Maybe I was replaced the day you met your new friends. I hope you treat them better, better than you treated me. Maybe 10 years was enough to realize what we want. I will always love you and I hope you still love me too. But you're pulling me back under like a force of nature. I'm trying to swim, but you're sinking me deep. I tried so hard to remember when you and I began to falter. Everything's clouding, why did you leave like that? Maybe this is the end, and the chapters have been written. Thank you for saving me and for the memory.